Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Kia Sportage here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the lane departure warning on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure the ignition is turned on and then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, we're going to go to Setup, then Vehicle, then Forward Safety, then Lane Safety, then Assist. So when you go over the white lines, it's going to assist you back into your lane. It will steer for you. If you don't want that, you can turn it off. Or if you just want the warning, so it'll start, the car will beep at you to let you know you're going over, but you don't want it to steer for you, you just go to warning only. Then once you're done, you want to save it, just press back and it'll save.